There are moments in life when the world doesn't need to collapse for you to realize something is wrong. Sometimes, it's just a small silence, a quiet, heavy pause between you and the truth you've been avoiding. For some people, it comes in the form of an overdue notice. For others, it's the sinking feeling at the grocery store checkout. And for many, it's the moment they look at their bank app and realize the number staring back at them has become a threat instead of a tool. Money isn't just math. It's emotion. It's identity. It's control, or the lack of it. And whether you admit it or not, your finances shape the way you wake up, the way you sleep, and the way you breathe in between. But here's the twist. Nobody teaches you how to reset your life financially. Nobody hands you a map out of chaos. You learn it the hard way through fear, mistakes, and the quiet breaking point that forces you to change. This is where the 90-day reset begins. The first 10 days aren't glamorous. They're raw. You sit down with every bill, every statement, every subscription you forgot existed, and you document it all. It feels embarrassing. It feels overwhelming. But it's clarity. And clarity is the birthplace of transformation. Then comes the second phase. You identify the leaks. You see the patterns of emotional spending. You see the habits that slowly drained your confidence along with your money. And for the first time, you stop lying to yourself. By week 3, you build the structure. A simple budget, but one built with intention. Not a cage, a compass. A system built to guide your money instead of letting your impulses guide you. Around week 4, something shifts. Not outside, inside. You start saying no to things that used to control you. You start saying yes to the choices that future you will thank you for. Discipline stops being a punishment and becomes freedom. At week 6, momentum finally arrives. Your emergency fund grows. Your debt shrinks. You feel maybe for the first time that you're not drowning anymore. You're floating. You're learning to swim again. By week 8, your relationship with money changes. You're no longer reacting to crises. You're executing a plan that makes you calmer, sharper, and more intentional. Then comes the final stretch, the last 30 days. This is where the magic happens. You feel the transformation not only in your bank account, but in who you are. Your mind becomes quieter. Your future becomes clearer. You start taking action with purpose instead of panic. And that's when you realize this reset was never just about saving money. It was about reclaiming your identity. The identity of someone who doesn't run from problems, but rebuilds from them. By day 90, you're not the same person who started this journey. You walk differently, think differently, choose differently. Because now, you know you're capable of designing your own life instead of merely surviving it. And here's the part nobody tells you. A year from now, you'll look back at this moment, this exact 90-day chapter, and you'll realize it wasn't about finances at all. It was about becoming the kind of person who can change their life on command. This is not a story of money. It's the story of you taking back control. Slowly, deliberately, relentlessly. Your future self is already thanking you. And this time, you actually believe him.